So in this video, we are going to look at the actual profit and loss for the last 1 week from our algo bot that is prepared, or that is created using our Market Secrets Algo Traders Program. So just last 1 week's P&L statement. Okay, so I'm at the Kotak Securities website and I've opened gain loss statement here, and I've also selected the date ranges 4th to 8th December 2023. So if you look at here, right, the actual gain for this last 1 week is around 11,199.09. I mean, after the taxes and other charges. Okay, we also have the day wise the transaction details here, which includes the charges for each of those transactions as well. So if you look at here, right, so this is the actual P&L from the Kotak Securities website, and this was purely for the algo trading that is done by our ATP bot, which is an end-to-end automated bot. Also, if you want, you can go to the ledger and see, I mean, select the same date range and see, the day wise profit and loss. So if you look at here, right, so 4th December, it's 4,500, and then again there's no trade on the 5th. Okay, so there's no trade info on the 5th, and if you look at the 6th, right, so this is again another 2k, and 7th around 3k, and on 8th December we got 1,500. So this is the actual ledger statement. This also totals to around 11,000 rupees. So this is the actual ledger report. If you have enrolled into our ATP program, you could have just recovered the whole fee, which is around 10,000, right? So whole fee in just 1 week's time. Well, if you are still in two minds whether to enroll into this program or not, maybe this video will help. If you have any queries about our Algo Traders program, feel free to call or message us anytime. So our contact details are available in our website, which is www.marketsecrets.in. Thank you.